Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A71, and today I'll show you how to access the download mode on this device. So to get started, you will need a Type-C cable plugged into your computer. Now I already have one prepared, so you want to get that ready too. And once you have that, you can shut off the device. So pull down the notification panel and press on the power button right here and choose power off. Now once the device shuts off, you want to then hold volume up and volume down, both of those keys at the same time, and while holding them, you'll plug in the cable. So volume up, volume down, and plug it in. And there we go. So you can see a message. You need to press volume up to continue, as you see right here. So volume up, and we're now in the download mode. Now I'm going to unplug it, considering I'm not going to be doing anything with it, but that is how you would access this mode. And you can see it gives you a message: do not disconnect the USB cable. Now this is relevant if you're actually using your computer to install something on the device through this mode, but I'm not. So that is how you would access this. Now if you want to leave this mode, you will want to hold power key and volume down, and you'll see the device or the screen shut off soon. So there we go, and it automatically powers back on. And you can see that we're back in the Android system. So that is how you would access and leave the download mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.